In Kerala's evolving interior landscape, glass has taken on a new level of importance, not just as a material, but as a statement of modern living. Among those shaping this transformation, one name stands apart into the industry, redefining expectations and setting benchmarks that others aspire to reach. Built on precision, driven by clarity, and defined by consistency. Every single time. Backed by advanced capabilities and a strong foundation, they continue to push boundaries in glass processing, delivering results that are not just refined, but exceptionally sophisticated, trusted by professionals, architects, designers, builders. Those who demand nothing less than perfection choose a partner that understands their vision. Because in today's world, glass is everywhere. From interiors to large-scale architectural spaces, its role is critical. And meeting that demand requires more than supply. It requires expertise. With a team that is efficient, focused, and highly skilled, every requirement is understood with clarity and delivered with confidence. Whether it is double-glazed solutions, laminated structures, or advanced glass applications, the commitment remains the same: to meet expectations and to exceed them. Is not just what they offer, but how consistently they deliver. A level of reliability that builds trust. A level of precision that ensures satisfaction. And a level of excellence that stands out in every project. Supported by world-class systems and modern infrastructure, they continue to raise the bar for quality and performance, aligning with global standards, and bringing that level of excellence into every space they contribute to. In an industry where detail matters, where clarity defines outcomes, and where precision makes the difference,